Hey guys, welcome to Automotors Technica. So this is Yogesh and today I'm going to start Suzuki Alto, which has been parked for from March 2020, before lockdown, just 2 weeks before lockdown. The battery was put new, no oil change was done, but I think I need to see how it will behave. So here it is parked and I'm going to start it. Let's see whether the battery is on or not. I believe this is not working. The remote control is not working. Let me see. So guys, this is the condition of the Alto. A lot of dusts on the windshield as well as on the bonnet. I believe it will open through this key, because if I press the remote, it is not opening. So this is what I'm doing now. Oh, it has been opened, but the door has jammed a bit now because of this what you call beading, which is in rubber. It has got stuck here and I need to exert more pressure. I believe the battery is surviving this long term because it's new. I need to check it out, so stay tuned. So guys, I'm inside the car. I'm trying to crank this. So that is what I see here. It's a neutral. Better to close the door on the safer side. No, the battery is completely dead. So I'm cranking here. It's not happening. So I believe I need to do a jump start. So here I open the bonnet and the engine looks to be clean, better than I expected. And this is the problem, is the battery is totally dead. So the leads are in contact, so I need to jump start and see. I'll just connect my jump starter battery and I'll just try to crank it. Then I need to change the oil, so I'll be a grease monkey today. Stay tuned. So this is the kit I always bring with me, and this is the jump starter. This is my action cam, and this is the air compressor. So the air here, air pressure is very low. Yeah, that's true. So first I need to start the engine at least and get the battery charged, and then with a different vehicle, I'll use that vehicle to power this compressor and fill up the air. So this happens after almost 10 to 11 months if you park the vehicle without starting. That too petrol vehicle. I was not expecting that battery will be totally dead. It might be due to some short circuit of any or any leakage of the current in the devices which have been fitted, maybe the aftermarket audio or the remote key opening system. So stay tuned. We need this and this, which are removed from the high power jump starter. This can be used for SUVs as well. This is 12 volts, so it can drive the battery here. So let's do it. So the positive is connected to the positive and the negative is connected to the negative of the battery. And here I have to insert it to the jump starter, which is at here. I'll connect it, and then I need to switch on this to 14 to 15 volts. So positive is connected to the positive of the battery, negative, and I have plugged in the jump starter. So let's start the vehicle. So I need 30 seconds to remove the battery pack once this vehicle starts. So this is what it happens. This is all because I have opened it without the key and it has got a battery power. This is neutral, all is up, and I'll start cranking. I just put the clutch for a safety purpose. It is not starting, it is not cranking at all. Something wrong with the starter. Guys, I pushed this vehicle by hand and the handbrake was jammed. So the condition is the battery is so down that it is sucking the power from this jump starter into the battery. So now what I have to do is I have to disconnect the battery. This is the condition of the vehicle in 10 to 11 months. So I have to disconnect the battery, remove both the wires, and then try to restart, because it is draining my jump starter battery so that it is trying to suck the power from the jump starter battery to the main battery. So this is the problem. So next level is to remove the terminals from the main battery. Cleaning is going on. I think hardly it is just 11,000 kilometers run. It is 2009 model Alto. So let's try our luck by removing the terminals. So guys, this is the workaround I had done. I connected the positive here and I removed the negative of the terminal of this battery so that this does not drain my jump starter. So I'm going to plug in this part into this jump starter and then give an attempt of starting the vehicle. I'm just starting now. Hey, this is started. Very, very nice. Need to stop this thing, the shouting horn. And I have to remove the battery as well. This is the only problem. I need to stop the siren. Let's see, I'll just wait for a while and remove the speaker itself. So finally the vehicle is at Mallikarjun Auto Service and he is Sarvesh Kankonkar. Sarvesh? So he takes care of all four-wheelers and two-wheelers. So this our workshop is right up front of my house. So I come here and I just surrendered the vehicle to him. Thanks, Sarvesh.
Cover